It's that time again, guys. It's time for another snack crate, bitch. Let's see where we from now.
France.
Oh,
Holland.
Holland. I'm not sure what to say. Oui.
The Netherlands.
The Netherlands.
The Netherlands.
The what?
You got some candy soul.
Oh, we got lots of goodies. Let's go.
Who else?
Okay. Oh, this is not food. All right. So, first we have our patate jappy flavor Lays.
Smell.
Open that bitch up. Does it smell good?
It smells like pickle.
Oh, pickle. Wait. Ready. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
No, it tastes like barbecue.
Oh, shit. Okay, so these are really interesting.
It's all in Hollish.
It's all in Hollish. From Holland, because they speak Hollish. No, but for real? Whoa, hi. These are really good. They're like barbecues mixed with pickles. Like, it's weird. Okay, the next thing, I can't really pronounce this. Zach zur Frissie Fleecies. It's 100 grams in a bag, bitch, whatever these are. Okay, so they seem to be like some sort of candy. Red band. These smell really good! Okay, toss me one. Let's go. Why are you doing the most to this bag? Okay, got me a yellow. Red, go.
They're really hard.
I can't tell if it's sour.
Oh! I want this.
They're like sour. Oh, my mouth watering! They're like sour. They're good. They're like Sour Patch Kids.
But
Whatever.
Hollish.
They're Hollish. This next one, I'm so excited.
Stroop waffles.
It's called a Stroop waffle.
Yo, it's like a Pop-Tart, but Hollish. Because there's 2 of them. It's not open yet.
Okay. Open yours.
It smells like a Pop-Tart.
It's like 2 wafers and a bunch of caramel.
Wait. You have 2 of them.
Oh, there's 2 in a bag. What?
wait.
Literally it says that there's...
It says 2 waffles. I'm right.
So
but
we got
it is 1. It's
2.
one big thing.
But it... Wait.
It's supposed to be ripped.
Yeah. Ready?
Oh.
Ready? I'm so excited. This looks so good. Ow, I bit my lip!
Pop-Tart. My hair's frizzy.
That hurt really bad. Alright.
Tastes like a cinnamon Pop-Tart, but it's caramel waffle.
Oh my god! Yup. This shit bangs. These boys slap. These are good. Oh!
Mine's almost gone, but I got another one.
Okay. So our next thing are called hard zoets. I'm guessing that zoet means candy, but these are called mutton drops.
Oh!
These smell like dog's ass.
It smells like a coffee bean butthole.
Okay, so maybe this is their money.
Hey, you got 5, I got a 1.
Oh,
Mine says vagina 1.
It says Vengo.
It smells like a vagina.
Okay. These smell like shit, you guys. Like, okay, ready? Go.
Ow.
Okay, good news. They're not as bad as they smell.
That was freaking nasty. I gotta wash my hands.
It is like black licorice. I like black licorice. It's good. Okay, so... Okay, I was all wrong about the black those were not good. Not good. I'm back to the... What is it? Strudel?
Stroop waffle.
Stroop waffle. Oh. Next item. Okay, well, this one... Ooh.
Water.
This one, it says Oosterhuis de Kermistok. Oh! It says Holland.
We go to the
Holland Foods with a Z. I'm pretty sure this is some sort of breadstick, so let's try. It's not a cigar.
Yes. Oh, let me smell stick.
Hold on, sniff it. Game changer.
Is this Christmas stick?
This smells like cinnamon.
Soft?
Like, no, it's hard. Okay, I'm scared.
Why'd you
Ready?
spit?
Ready? It's hard! Ow!
This is literally the solid version of the cinnamon challenge. Like, it's a stick of cinnamon. Like,
this is cinnamon.
Like, pushed together.
This is a brick of cinnamon. I just want to know,
Freaking Hollish.
you
people.
Holland people, if you're Holland out there watching this, how do you eat this whole thing?
Question.
Sorry, I mean Dutch, not Hollish.
I don't mean Dutch.
Holland.
I mean Hollish.
Strudelnoffel. All right, Next, I have these, which look like delicious cough drops.
My
Okay.
Stroop waffle's going away.
You can have some of mine. I have plenty left.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, they package these like a diaper.
Hop G's.
Hop G's.
It looks like a little takeout thing.
All right, let's go. Okay, Grace, I want you to try to read what's around that.
Die Ingenie GT Ra de Macker Haska She Hop G's.
That was pretty good.
Ooh, it smells good.
This smells like cereal. Ready? Let's go. Oh! Ah! Okay. I really did. I didn't expect it to burst the foot open in my mouth. It was pretty good. It was. She just spit it out. If you've ever had like Nips, those little like caramel candies, these kind of taste similar, but I like them. They're pretty good. But they should have a little warning label on here that says like, "Yo, may like explode, make you think you broke all your teeth." Okay, these are called Smolties. Oofus.
UFOs, bitch.
Oh, it says, oh my god. I'm clearly a huge idiot.
Oh, look at the picture on them.
Hold on.
I was like,
Yeah, there's UFOs. It says UFOs.
It's like a brownie cookie.
I'm an idiot. Hey guys, what's in the sky? Oh, it's one of those Oofus. Okay.
That's so cute.
You guys, this is the cutest. Look at this cookie.
Oh, it's like so perfect.
Look at. These are aesthetic. Oh. Okay. Here, wait. Cheers. Okay, go.
Oh.
Oh, I do realize I'm saying all of these wrong, so don't come at me with, Dana, you're saying these wrong. Huh, I'm Italian. I don't know all these Dutch things. Okay, I'm trying my best. So on that note...
That was nasty.
Alright, what are these called, Grace?
Wait. Coot just reap.
Could just
With
reap.
the cow.
Let's go. These make me feel like I'm on like Charlie Chalk Factory. Like, am I gonna get my golden ticket yet? Charlie,
I found a quarter in sewer. I bought this piece of chocolate.
they're like humongous. Look at this. What you know, Hershey's? Look at these cubes. Oh, it melts in your mouth.
Not worth.
So this next thing's pretty interesting. It really looks like a piece of bread in this bag. It's really like soft like bread. I'm gonna try to pronounce this. Pengenberg on the big you cook. Okay, it's literally a piece of bread in this bag. Ready? Oh! Taste that. This tastes like... You doing okay?
No.
This tastes like stale bread.
Spit
This is
out.
gross.
Makes me want to throw up.
This is really good. I don't like this. This is not good. 0 out of 10. No. No. Okay,
Poppy
hold on.
Smurf.
Poppy Smurf. Poppy Smurf.
Pink.
Real quick. I feel like I'm gonna like these a lot. It says de Smurfin.
It's Poppy Smurfin.
I'm crying. Netter chocolate. I think it's white chocolate because it says witty chocolate.
I think it's a breadstick.
No, lies. So,
It means
all of
energy.
this freaks me out.
It gives you energy.
Apparently, energy means
energy.
energy. They like caffeine sticks, Papa Smurf. So I don't know what any of that means, really, you know. But thank God there's 7% netter squishies. So they look like this. Okay, there's like 50
Let us
sticks.
touch tips.
Oh, touch just the tip. Okay, ready? It's white chocolate, baby. Mmm.
I don't like that.
She don't. Oh, wait. Aftertaste. Okay, update.
Do you hear that?
It's popping like Pop Rocks.
It's fizzling in my jaw.
It's right here going. Holland, why? What is this? What kind of sick joke is this? My mouth is like I ate 2 bags. It's still going. I could hear it. What the hell? Secret Pop Rock sticks. Well, that concludes this snack crate. If you want a monthly crate of delicious goodies from around the world, go to snackcrate.com and subscribe now.
Not sponsor.
These are weird. I'm still eating these. They're like popping like crazy pop rocks in my mouth. It's nuts.